Do you have sweet blood? I'm Dr. Gigi, and this is your 1% better tip of the day. So we all have heard that if you have sweet blood, then mosquitoes are attracted to you, right? And you get bitten more. So it doesn't really work out like that. What mosquitoes are really attracted to is the CO2 that we exhale, so the carbon dioxide. They also are attracted to different smells from bacteria that's on our skin and from the lactic acid that we can sweat out especially when we're working out. So definitely do not go work out next to a pond where there's stagnant water, where there's a lot of mosquitoes, and start working out there and exhaling hard and sweating lactic acid, right? So what are the things that you can do to prevent a mosquito from biting you? So there's different oils, essential oils that they do not like, and those are citronella, which is a big one, lemon eucalyptus, peppermint, lavender, cedar wood as well, and rosemary. Those are the ones that mosquitoes definitely do not like, and you can make an easy spray and not use chemical bug repellents on your skin, which can get absorbed in your body. So you can use half a cup of witch hazel, half a cup of apple cider vinegar, and then 40 drops of whichever those oils you like with the smell of. You can mix them together and do a little bit lavender with lemon eucalyptus, or you can just do one of those scents. And then that way you can naturally repel mosquitoes and be mosquito free. So try that out and let me know how it works.